Standard 8 Mathematics Part 1 Chapter 1 Rational and Irrational Numbers. Let's recall. We are familiar with natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers. Natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Integers -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Rational numbers -25/3, 10/-7, -4, 0, 3, 8, 32/3, 67/5, etc. Rational numbers. The numbers of the form m/n are called rational numbers. Here m and n are integers, but n is not 0. We have also seen that there are infinite rational numbers between any two rational numbers. To show rational numbers on a number line, let us see how to show 7/3 to -2/3 on a number line. Let us draw a number line. We can show the number 2 on a number line. 7/3 is equal to 7 into 1/3. Therefore, each unit on the right side of 0 is to be divided in 3 equal parts. The 7th point from 0 shows 7/3 or 7/3 is equal to 2 plus 1/3. Hence, the point at 1/3 distance of unit after 2 shows 7/3. To show -2/3 on the number line, first we show 2/3 on it. The number to the left of the 0 at the same distance will show the number -2/3.